Hello YouTube, I am Eligible. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry for not being so consistent. Being consistent in Nigeria is not easy. So not easy. Keeping up with your daily schedules and electricity and data expenses and all. But I'll keep trying my best to make sure I give you the very best. So on today's tutorial, we are going to be doing face retouching. And all you need is your laptop, Photoshop, and if you have Retouching Academy, that's a plus. Link will be dropped in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So load up your image in Photoshop, and if you have Retouching Academy, it's going to be a plus for you. If you don't have, I suggest you get one. First things first, I go to Spot Healing Brush, then I zoom in the image, and I increase the radius, reduce it. A single left click on your mouse heals the spots. So I click and click and click. So you basically keep clicking till you heal all the spots. Okay, so I'm just going to forward the spots back. So yeah, always remember, whatever layer you want to work on, duplicate it before you start working. So when you start working, you can always put it off to check the progress of your previous stuff that you had started before. So you see, at this juncture, I'm going to duplicate this layer into 3. This is called frequency separation. I duplicate the layer into 3. I name the first one my main image. I could name the other one color. Third one texture. So I go to color layer, I go to filter, I go to blur, I go to Gaussian blur. I'll blur it just a bit in a way that I'll still be able to see details of the original picture, like so. So if you look, you'll see it's blurred a bit. It's actually blurred. If I bring back my texture, bring it, take it out, bring it, take it out, let's see. So I go to texture, go to image, click on apply image, then layer, you select the color layer, that is the layer that we upload. Then edit channel on RGB, go to subtract, and put your scale on 2, put offset on 128. Yeah, on 120. Click OK. Then you go to blending mode, put it on linear light. Yeah, so now it doesn't show any difference basically between what was there before and what is now. You see little or no difference. Basically it's because of the blending mode of the texture. Now we have successfully separated the color and the texture, meaning we can work on both layers individually in order to achieve the face retouching. So zooming in to the color, I can still use my healing brush to heal it a bit. So then you can go to your pen tool, select some parts of the skin, like so. Right click, make selection. Make sure your feather is wide actually. Yeah, like 10, depending on your image. Go to blow, Gaussian blow, and I increase it a bit. So I just fill with the blurriness. See if it works out. Then I repeat the same thing on other parts of the skin. So we can see the image taking shape already. So it seems like it has lost its texture. So remember, we've separated the color layer from the texture layer. So I can just duplicate this texture layer to increase the amount of texture. And I can just reduce the opacity so the texture wouldn't be too much. So we see the former image. We see now former image now. So basically most of the work has been done. So I'm going to group everything I've done. Into a new group, duplicate it, then merge it. Then I can then run Retouching Academy on this one now. Any questions on Retouching Academy, you can always drop them in the comment section below. So basically you can just follow up and see you in the next video.